So whenever we want to store any particular text or characters, we use string data type. Okay, so whenever we want to, let's say we want to store some text or alphabets, any special characters or sequence of special characters, sequence of alphabets, we use string data type. Okay, so what is string? String is nothing but collection of characters surrounded by single quotes or double quotes. Okay, in this way you can put all the characters within single quotes, or you can put all the characters within double quotes. Okay, while declaring the variable, take any variable which satisfies the variable declaration norms or rules, and you can assign this particular string to that variable. Okay, if it is a multi-line string, then you can use three single quotes in this way or three double quotes in this way. Okay, multi-line strings are ASL if there is a large text which involves multiple lines, which is not which does not fit in a one single line, then you can use three single quotes or three double quotes so that multi-line string can be assigned to the variable. Okay, next thing is strings are immutable. You cannot modify a string in place. Okay, what does it mean? That if you try to change the string, if you try to change any particular character within the string, then it is not possible in place. Okay, so that is called as immutable. Okay, when you cannot change any particular character in the string, then we say it is immutable. Okay, so remember this point, strings are immutable. Next, they are ordered sequence of characters, that is indexing and slicing is possible here. Okay, ordered sequence means each character within the string has a specific order. Okay, take any character within the string, it will have a specific order. Okay, it will have an index. Okay, first character will have index 0, second will have 1, and so on. And slicing is also possible. Slicing means what? You can take a particular part of the string. ओके, त्या स्ट्रिंगचा जो तुम्हाला जर काही पार्ट हवा असेल, संपूर्ण स्ट्रिंग नको, यू डोंट वांट होल स्ट्रिंग, यू वांट सम पार्ट ऑफ दैट स्ट्रिंग और सब स्ट्रिंग, you can slice a string. Okay, then next, string is iterable. That means looping through a string is possible. Okay, iterable means we can iterate that string. We can apply a for loop, a while loop on that particular string. These are the features of string. So one by one we will see each feature and how the string behaves according to this feature. Okay, any doubt in these features?
No, sir.
Okay, now here I have taken a variable str underscore 1. I have assigned this string python to that variable. Okay, you can print the string and check the type of the uh, variable, data type of this variable. Now here I have used single quote. Okay, as I said, string can be declared by using single quote as well as double quote as well as three single quotes or three double quotes. So I'm executing this. You can see this is my uh, string python stored in str underscore 1, and you can see the class, the data type of it is string. Okay, similarly if I use um, double quotes for declaration, then also it is possible here. Okay, I've used double quotes here instead of single quotes, so this is also possible. Now generally what do? We prefer double quotes over single quotes. Okay, why to prefer double quotes over single quotes? Let's say we have a string where apostrophe is used. Okay, apostrophe तुम्हाला माहिती आहे, apostrophe, yes, like here in this string we have, okay, life's secrets, this is the string, or we may take some other string. Let's say suppose I'm taking this string x equals to, I'm writing, that's right. Now what I have done is I have used single quote for the string. Okay, here is also single quote, here there is also single quote, but as my apostrophe is there within the string, what Python understands is this is the starting single quote and this is the ending single quote. That means it considers this part as a string, that it is considered as a string, and remaining part it is not aware. Okay, this you can see in black color. So what Python does not understand that what is this. Okay, so this apostrophe is being considered as a end quote of the string. Okay, so if I try to execute this, try to print this, it will throw an error. Okay, what is an error? Unterminated string literal. Okay, detected at line 1. Unterminated means this is unterminated. Okay, so याला स्टार्टिंग कोट म्हणून कन्सिडर केलाय, याला एंडिंग कोट म्हणून कन्सिडर केलाय, परत याला स्टार्टिंग कोट म्हणून कन्सिडर केलाय, मग स्टार्टिंग कोट नंतर परत एंडिंग कोट कुठे आहे असं पायथन विचारते. Okay, so that's why what we do is if we have an apostrophe we generally use double quotes. Okay, how to use double quotes? In this way. Second. Instead of using single quotes, use double quote here also and here also. Now this apostrophe is okay. Okay, you can execute this. You can see here. That's right. Okay, understood how to use apostrophe as well as quotes?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, you can also do inverse of this. You can use single quote outside, and as an apostrophe you can use double quote inside. This is also acceptable. Okay, but this is generally not uh, readable in English language. Okay, English language मध्ये आपण एकच apostrophe आपण use करतो. Okay, दोन apostrophe आपण use करत नाही. So this is generally not preferred. You can use this method. Okay, similarly here I have used this string life's secrets. Okay, it will throw an error. It will throw an error. Okay, if I want this, then I must use double quotes, and for apostrophe I can use single quote then, and I can print this str underscore 2 this life secrets. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then what about multi-line string? As I said, we can use multi-line string by using 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes. Okay, so I have this multi-line string Python and data science. Okay, I have used 3 double quotes at the start, at the end. Okay, so this is possible, Python and data science. Okay, or you can use 3 single quotes and 3 single quotes. Okay, this is also acceptable, Python and data science. Understood how to use 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes for multi-line string?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let's move towards next point. What is indexing and slicing of a string? Okay, we have seen in the features that uh, uh, in string, a string is an ordered sequence of characters. Okay, ordered sequence. Ordered means what? There is a particular order. Okay, order of the character, each character in the string. स्ट्रिंग मधल्या प्रत्येक कॅरेक्टरला एक ऑर्डर आहे, एक नंबर आहे, त्याला आपण इंडेक्स असं म्हणतो. ओके, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 0. if there are 5 characters, there will be 0 1 2 3 4 in this fashion. Okay, it is called as index. And slicing means what? We can just get a slice of a string, we can get a substring from that particular string. ओके, एका होल स्ट्रिंग मधून आपण काही पार्ट आपण फेच करू शकतो, त्याला आपण स्लाइसिंग असं म्हणतो, स्लाइस ऑफ अ स्ट्रिंग. ओके, व्हॉट इज द सिंटॅक्स फॉर स्लाइसिंग? just use the variable, and after that in square bracket you can use the start index colon end index colon step, which is optional. Okay, now we will see what is the start index, what is this end index, okay, and how to use it. Remember here the start index is included always and end index is excluded. Okay, when I say 0 colon 5, that means 0 is included and 5 is excluded. Excluded means fifth index character will not be printed, will not be considered. Okay, and another one rule is start index must be smaller than end index. Okay, start index ही नेहमी end index पेक्षा small पाहिजे. Okay, so for example 0 colon 5, 0 is smaller than 5. 1 colon 3, 1 is smaller than 3, in this way. Okay, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I have taken this example str underscore 1. I execute this. Okay, I have this string python. Okay, so how to access the element of the string using index. या string मधला एखादा element जर तुम्हाला access करायचा असेल तर तो कसा access करायचा. First thing, you have to use square brackets to access the elements. Okay, like we do in slicing वरती मी syntax सांगितलं तुम्हाला. You have to use the square bracket. Second thing, in that square bracket you have to use index of the character you want. तुम्हाला जे कॅरेक्टर पाहिजे त्याची इंडेक्स तुम्हाला त्या स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट मध्ये यूज करायची आहे. थर्ड थिंग, इंडेक्स इज नथिंग बट द पोझिशन ऑफ द कॅरेक्टर. ओके, व्हॉट इज इंडेक्स? इंडेक्स इज द position of the character. Let's say you want the first character, index will be 0. You want second character, index will be 1. You want third character, index will be 2, and so on. Okay, for example, this is my string str underscore 1. Okay, what I have stored in that? Python, python. So if I want p, access p, how to access this p? Just use square bracket, and in that square bracket use the index of p. Okay, use the index of p. What is the index of p? 0 is the index of p. So use 0 in that. Okay, you'll get p. Understood how to access the character?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if I want to print this, I can print it in this way. Just use print, and in the bracket enter this string square bracket the character. It will be printed p. Okay, now string underscore 1 square bracket 1, which character will be printed? Tell me.
Y.
Y will be printed. You can see the output is Y. Okay, what is the difference between this print and this? I'm just executing this. Print is printing the output. Okay, and this without printing, it is just returning the output. Okay, it is not printing, it is returning the output. Okay, wherever you find this out, it is returning the output. So it is returning Y because I have entered index 1. First index ला Y आहे. Okay, समजतंय how to access each character?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose I want the last character. How many characters were there? 6 characters. So I want to I will need to enter str underscore 1 of 5. It will return the last n. Okay, then slice a string from one particular index, that is start index to end index. Okay, slicing चा मी तुम्हाला syntax सांगितलाय. Okay, string name, and in square bracket you have to enter start index colon end index. Okay, colon step. Step is optional. Okay, if you don't enter step, it will by default it will be 1. Okay, so now this is our string Python. What if I enter str_1 0:3? Which characters will be printed? Which characters will be returned as output? Tell me. Yes, which characters will be returned?
PYTHO.
PYTH की फक्त PYT?
PYT.
PYTH नाही, PYT. Okay, why not H? Because H is at third index. Okay, मी इथे जरी 3 एंटर केलंय, पण मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं की start index is included and end index is excluded. End index विचारात घेतली जात नाही. Okay, so end index here is 3. So 3 will not be considered. Okay, so it will only output 0, 1, 2. Only 3 characters. So P, Y, T will be returned in this way. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What will be the output of this?
PYTH.
Yes. PYT.
H.
का बरं? O नाही येणार का?
O सुद्धा येणार.
O सुद्धा येईल. Okay. You can इथे काउंट करून बघा. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, your end index is 5. Therefore, it will print up to 4th index. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 5th index चा character print करना नाही. 5th index ला काय आहे? N. So it will not print N. Okay, it will only print PYTHO. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then positive indexing with positive step. Okay, first of all, let's understand how indexing works. How indexing works? Suppose this is my string, Python is my string. Okay, how indexing works? P will have index 0, Y will have 1, T will have 2, H will have 3, O will have 4, N will have 5. Okay, so when I say string 0:5:1, okay, by default this step is 1, so don't consider this. Okay, even if I instead of this, even if I print in this way str_1, so str_1, and if I print 0:5, what will be my output?
PYTHO.
It will be PYTHO. Okay, and even if I enter 1 step size, okay, which is optional, by default it is 1, my output will be same. Okay, because by default the step size is 1. Now what is the purpose of step size? Step size is actually to exclude the characters. Okay, तुम्हाला काही characters जर exclude करायचे असतील तर तुम्हाला step size ची गरज पडते. Okay, for example, if I increase the step size, if I make it 2, it will exclude alternate character. Okay, exclude alternate character means it will print this PTO. P, Y is excluded, T, H is excluded, O. Understood? What is the purpose of this?
Yes.
Skip alternate character. Okay, alternate in the sense, let's say that it will skip the character. Now which index is printed here? 0 is printed, 2 is printed, so it will skip odd characters and return even characters. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So step 2 means one character will be skipped. Okay. Step 2 means one character will be skipped. Step equals to 2 means one character will be skipped. So by that logic, step equals to 3 means two characters will be skipped. Okay, so step equals to 3 means I will only get P and H. Okay, Python पैकी मला काय भेटते फक्त Python पैकी काय भेटते मला P and H. So two characters are skipped. YT skip झाले. Okay, आणि नंतर O च्या पुढचे पण skip झाले. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then what if I make step equals to 4? It will skip 3 characters. If I make it this 4, you can see the output is PO. Okay, YTH is skipped. समझते?
Oh, sir.
Okay. Now suppose my string is this. Okay, life's secrets. Okay, I am printing this string. So here I have written down the index, okay, of each character for your reference. L will have 0, I 1, F 2, E 3 and so on. What if I use str2 of 0? What will be printed? What will the output?
L. L.
L will be the output, right? str2 of 7, what will be the output?
Yes.
Will be yes. str2 of 6, what will be the output? Yes. सिक्स्थ इंडेक्स ला काय आहे?
स्पेस आहे ना तिथे स्पेस.
Space. Okay, space. This. Understood? Now I want to slice this string. Slice it from second index to seventh index. Okay, remember, start index is included, end index is excluded. So what will be the output? 2 to 7. It will be from F to
Space.
space to this. Okay, 7 will be excluded. म्हणजे हा S जो आहे secrets चा S तो exclude होईल. So F E apostrophe S and space. This will be my output in this way. What will be the output of this? 0 to 4.
LIFE.
LIFE. Okay, 0, 1, 2 and 3. 4 characters. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now here we are using 0 as a start. Okay, but by default it is 0. Even if you don't mention, by default it is 0. So if you want to slice a string from its start, you can just keep it blank. Okay, I have not entered anything here. Okay, I have not used 0 here. Okay, what will be the output? I have just used end index. Start index I have not used. What will be the output? Yes, any guess? As I said, the start index is by default 0. If you don't mention, it will still be 0. So you'll get the same output. 0 colon 4 is the same as only colon 4. Okay, without specifying 0, it will by default take it as 0. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if you don't specify end index, by default it will be
Yes, space secrets.
yes space secrets, right? But my question is, what will be the end index by default if we don't specify? Yes, it will be the last character of the string. Okay, so here I'll write default start index is 0. Here default end index is last character of the string. If I print this, you can see here s space secrets. Okay, so by default the end index is the last character of the string. Okay, understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You can't say the last character, it is actually last character plus 1, because if it is last character, then your last character will be skipped because your end index is excluding, right? So you can say last index plus 1. Okay, last index plus 1, or we can say length of string plus 1, or simply length of string. Okay, now how to slice whole string? What if I don't mention start character and start index and end index? Okay, it will give me whole string, because by default start index is 0 and end index is the length of string, that means up to end of the string. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
It is equivalent to str underscore 2 0 colon 6. Okay. Or str underscore 2 0 colon 6 colon 1. Okay, by default step is 1. So this, what is the output of this? I have used double colon. Okay, double colon in order to specify the step, but I have not specified the step. What is the default step? It is 1. So what will be the output here? What will be the output? Tell me. It will be same, right? It is same. Even if I specify single colon, start index, end index are default. Okay. I have specified double colon. That means I can specify the step also here. But by default step is 1. So it is considered 1. That means all characters. Okay. Don't skip any character. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is equivalent to this. Then what if I don't specify start index, don't specify end index, but only specify step as 2? What will be my output? Yes? Any guess? What will be my output? Here I have written only even characters. You can see the output. LF apostrophe space ERT. Okay. L means 0th character is printed. F character at second index. Apostrophe 4th index. Space 6th index. E 8th index. R 10th index. Then T 12th index. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you want only even characters, you can use this colon colon 2. Okay, you'll only get even characters. Similarly, if you want odd characters, just start from first index. Okay, instead of starting from 0, here we have started from 0. Just start from first index and then specify step as 2. You'll get odd characters. These are odd characters. 1 3 1 3 5 7 9 11 13. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What will be the output of this? Colon colon 3. Yes.
IESSCES.
I E double S. How? You will be starting from 0th character, right? So 0th character is 0th character is
L.
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 Okay, sorry, L. Then step is 3. That means how many characters will be skipped?
Two.
2 characters will be skipped. After L, 2 characters skipped. That means I and F will be skipped. What is after that?
E.
E. Again, skip 2 characters. Apostrophe
Space.
and S. So after that it will be space. Again, skip 2.
C.
C. Skip 2.
T.
T. This should be my output. This is your output. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what if I start from 1? What will be my output? This is my string. Tell me the output. We are starting from first index. What will be first character?
L.
I.
L कसा असेल? We are starting from first index. 0 नाही.
I.
I, right. Then skip how many characters?
Two.
2 characters. So what will be next?
Single quote.
Single quote. Next, skip 2 characters.
Yes.
S. Again, skip 2 characters.
R.
Again, skip 2 characters.
E. S.
S. This should be my output. This is my output. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, if I ask you to write a program to print only odd characters of a string. Okay. This is my string, suppose. Machine learning. And you want to print only odd characters. Okay. What will be my program? फक्त odd character print करायचे आहेत. Okay. So you have to start from 1. Because 1 is the first odd character. First odd index, right? So you have to start from 1 and give step size as 2. You will get only odd characters. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if I say print only even characters, what changes should be made here? Yes. काय चेंज होईल? Instead of starting from 1, you have to start from
0.
0. Okay, so remove this 1. By default it will be 0. These are your even characters. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now if I say you have to write a program to print first 5 characters. Okay, remember first and 5 हे लक्षात ठेवायचं. ओके, फर्स्ट 5. फर्स्ट हा वर्ड आला की इथे स्टार्ट इंडेक्स काय करायची? 0. ओके, डोंट स्पेसिफाय द स्टार्ट इंडेक्स. ओके, फर्स्ट हा वर्ड आला, डोंट स्पेसिफाय स्टार्ट इंडेक्स. And how many characters? 5 characters. End index should be 5. Understood?
Yes, sir.
These are your first 5 characters. MACHI. ओके. एंड इंडेक्स 5 आहे म्हणून फिफ्थ इंडेक्सचा कॅरेक्टर एक्सक्लूड केला. ओके. त्याच्या अगोदरच 5 होऊन जातात कारण आपण 0 पासून स्टार्ट करतोय. 0 1 2 3 4. ओके. Now if I say write a program to print first 10 characters, what should be my program? Okay, I will use print here now. Print, tell me. Yes,
MACHINE space
नाही
LE.
मला कोड सांगा. कोड 10 characters नाही. Tell me the code. प्रिंट यूज करायचं त्याच्यामध्ये
Square bracket.
स्ट्रिंग स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट नंतर
String. Bracket. Colon.
कोलन
10.
10. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this was to print first n characters. Okay. Write a program to print first n characters. If I want to print or I want to skip first n characters, to skip first n characters. ओके. आतापर्यंत आपण काय केलं, आपण पहिले n कॅरेक्टर्स प्रिंट करून बघितले. आता स्किप करायचे आहेत. ओके. सो व्हेनेवर देयर इज वर्ड स्किप, you have to specify the start index. Okay. Skip first म्हटलंय ना, specify the start index. आणि किती म्हटलंय, किती फर्स्ट कॅरेक्टर्स 5, तर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 5. ओके. डोंट स्पेसिफाय द एंड इंडेक्स. स्किप म्हटलं, स्किप फर्स्ट म्हटलं की स्टार्ट इंडेक्स स्पेसिफाय करायची जो काही नंबर असेल तो, आणि स्किप फर्स्ट म्हटलंय म्हणून एंड इंडेक्स स्पेसिफाय करायची नाही. ओके. जसं प्रिंट फर्स्ट म्हटलं की आपण स्टार्ट इंडेक्स स्पेसिफाय करत नाही. स्किप फर्स्ट म्हटलं की एंड इंडेक्स स्पेसिफाय करायची नाही. ओके. सो स्किप फर्स्ट 5 characters, simply string (5:blank). हे तुमचे 5 कॅरेक्टर स्किप झाले. MACHI स्किप झाले. तर तिथून पुढचं प्रिंट झाले NE स्पेस लर्निंग. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Now I want to skip first 10 characters. What should be my program? Tell me.
Print.
Print
Bracket. String.
string
10.
10
Colon.
colon. Okay. This first 10 characters are printed. Sorry, skipped. Okay. First 10 characters are skipped. Remaining characters are printed. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if the interviewer asks you to print first n characters or skip first n characters of the string, you have to remember this is the shortest possible program. Okay. Print जे काय स्ट्रिंग व्हेरिएबल तुम्ही घेतला असेल त्याला फक्त पुढे काय करायचं, स्टार्ट इंडेक्स एंड इंडेक्स अशा प्रकारे स्पेसिफाय करायचे. ओके. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's move towards next subtopic of this is negative indexing. Okay. आपण पॉझिटिव्ह इंडेक्सिंग बघितली स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 0 to n. ओके. जितके कॅरेक्टर्स आहेत तितके. बट पायथॉन मध्ये इथे तुम्हाला निगेटिव्ह इंडेक्सिंग सुद्धा पॉसिबल आहे. निगेटिव्ह इंडेक्सिंग. ओके, सपोज वी विल टेक द सेम स्ट्रिंग. ओके, मशीन लर्निंग द सेम स्ट्रिंग आपण घेतली. सो निगेटिव्ह इंडेक्सिंग मीन्स व्हॉट? स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द लास्ट कॅरेक्टर to the first character, the characters are numbered in this sequence: -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, in this way. Okay, so positive index was 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to, sorry, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 15. Here it is -1 to 16. Okay, now if I ask you to print last character of a string, your shortest possible program is this: string of -1. It will give you last character. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If I say that you have to write a program to print first character using negative indexing, this is the shortest possible program. Just use print string of -16. So -16 या position ला m आहे, m will be printed. Okay, here also your by default start and end index are 0 and the last first character and the last character. Okay, so if I don't specify, your whole string will be possible printed. Okay, now when is this useful? Negative indexing कधी useful आहे? When your string is very large. Okay, so negative indexing is very useful when the string is very large. Why? Because we don't know the end of the string. Okay, इतकी मोठी जर स्ट्रिंग आहे तुमची, ओके, इथे मी जर तुम्हाला विचारलं हा जो डॉट आहे याची इंडेक्स सांगा, तुम्हाला सांगता येईल का? इज इट पॉसिबल? Is it possible to tell the index of this dot?
No, sir.
No. Okay, so in this case you have to use negative indexing. Okay, कारण तुम्हाला पॉझिटिव्ह इंडेक्सिंगने जर मी विचारलं तर इथे या जी ची इंडेक्स तुम्हाला सांगता येईल, इट इज 15. ओके, बट या डॉटची इंडेक्स तुम्हाला सांगता येणार नाही कारण ही खूप मोठी स्ट्रिंग आहे. ओके, सो फॉर दिस पर्पज your negative indexing is useful. How useful? If I say that write a program to print last character of this string. Write the program to print the last character of this string. Tell me.
Print
Okay.
string
Yeah, string str_1, this string.
square bracket -1.
Square bracket -1. You'll get the last character. What is the last character? Dot. Okay, full stop. Similarly, if I want to print last two characters What should I enter? What should be the program? Last two characters. Yes? Remember this number. Okay, what is this number? 2. Just enter -2. You'll get, sorry, colon also. Okay, -2 and colon. If I only enter -2, you'll get the second last character. Okay, ठीक आहे, आपण तसा एक प्रोग्राम करूया. Print second last character. For second last character, enter -2. Okay, and if I want last two characters, then -2 colon. Okay, print last म्हटलंय ना, मग इथे स्टार्ट इंडेक्स टाकायची, एंड इंडेक्स स्पेसिफाय करायची नाही. ओके, आणि स्टार्ट इंडेक्स काय टाकायची? लास्ट 2 म्हटलंय ना, लास्ट. ओके, लास्ट वरून लक्षात ठेवायचं, जिथं लास्ट येईल तिथे निगेटिव्ह इंडेक्सिंग यूज करायची, जिथे फर्स्ट येईल तिथे पॉझिटिव्ह इंडेक्सिंग. ओके, सो लास्ट आहे म्हणून निगेटिव्ह इंडेक्सिंग. हाऊ मेनी? 2. सो -2 colon. You'll get the last two characters. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we will try the same on this variable string. Okay, machine learning is the variable, machine learning is the string stored in this variable string. I want to print last 5 characters of this string. Okay, काय लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे? प्रिंट लास्ट 5. लास्ट आहे म्हणून मायनस साइन. हाऊ मेनी? 5. ओके, आणि प्रिंट आहे म्हणून हे कुठं टाकायचं? फॉर स्टार्ट इंडेक्स. एंड इंडेक्स स्पेसिफाय करायची नाही. These are the last 5 characters. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if we apply this same on str_1, last 15 characters. These are the last 15 characters. Okay, now this is important, how to reverse a string. Okay, the shortest possible program to reverse a string in Python is this one. Just leave the start index, leave the end index, and just specify the step as negative. Okay, so basically from here we are entering into negative step size. Okay, आतापर्यंत आपण पॉझिटिव्ह स्टेप साइज बघितली, 1 2 3 आपण एंटर करून बघितले. ओके, बट निगेटिव्ह स्टेप साइज ठेवली तर काय होतं? युअर स्ट्रिंग रिव्हर्सेस. मशीन लर्निंग ही तुमची स्ट्रिंग होती, ती तुमची रिव्हर्स झाली. Understood how to reverse a string?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if I say you want to write a program for palindrome, write a program to check a palindrome. What is a palindrome? What is meant by palindrome? Palindrome is a word that is same if read reverse. Palindrome हा असा वर्ड आहे की जो उलटा जरी वाचला तरी सेम वाचतो आपण. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल लिरिल, नितिन, मॅडम. ओके, these are palindromes. Okay, So you have to write a program to check if the string is palindrome. For example, madam. Okay, आता madam हा word कसा आहे, palindrome आहे. Okay, you read in forward MADAM, or you read in reverse MADAM. It is the same. Okay, that is called as a palindrome. So how to write a program to check a palindrome? Okay, just enter this condition: if string equals to string reverse. Okay, reverse कशी करायची स्ट्रिंग आपण आताच बघितलंय. Okay, colon colon -1. So forward string equals to reverse string. Okay, double equals to म्हणजे हा comparison operator आहे. Okay, it is comparing this string with this string. Okay, so if this string equals to this string, then print palindrome. Okay, ही जर condition true असेल, it will print this statement: string is palindrome. If this statement, if this condition is false, then it will go to else. Okay, and it will print this statement: string is not palindrome. Now what is string? स्ट्रिंग व्हेरिएबल मध्ये काय आहे आपण बघूया. मशीन लर्निंग. मला सांगा, मशीन लर्निंग पॅलिंड्रोम आहे का?
No.
नो. सो व्हॉट शुड बी द आउटपुट?
String is not palindrome.
स्ट्रिंग इज नॉट ए पॅलिंड्रोम. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
But if I take string as this, madam, and if I enter this condition in this fashion, s equals to s colon colon -1, now what will be the output? काय असेल आउटपुट?
String is palindrome.
String is a palindrome. Okay, because this variable s has stored this string madam, and it is palindrome, MADAM, or reverse MADAM. ओके, वाटलं सर आपण, मी तुम्हाला प्रिंट करून दाखवतो. प्रिंट s as well as s colon colon -1. See, s is also madam, and reverse s colon colon -1, this is also madam. So string is a palindrome. Okay, now we have hard coded here. आपण इथे इनपुट जे आहे ते हार्ड कोडेड इनपुट घेतलं. ओके, instead we will get user input. Okay, user input. How to take user input? Just use this keyword. आपण कालच बघितलंय. Input keyword and enter the text you want to enter. Okay, enter the string and then the same program. Okay, so I will execute this. See, after user input, it will ask the user to enter the string. Okay, now if I enter the string, let's say NITIN, what will be the output?
String is palindrome.
String is palindrome. We'll execute again. If I enter, let's say TIPIN, what will be the output?
String is not palindrome.
String is not a palindrome. Okay, याचं उलट जर केलं तर NIPIT होईल. Understood how to write a palindrome program?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's move towards negative step. Okay, negative step चा आपण थोडंसं deep मध्ये बघूया. This is our string, machine learning. Now positive index with negative step. Okay, पॉझिटिव्ह इंडेक्स विथ निगेटिव्ह स्टेप. निगेटिव्ह स्टेप म्हणजे काय हे आपण बघितलंय. ओके, what negative step does? Negative step reverses the string. Okay, so this -1 will reverse the string. Okay, and here you have specified the start index 5 and index 1. Okay, आता इथे start index is large as compared to end index. Okay, but this is acceptable when the step is negative. Okay, step positive असेल, the start index must be smaller as compared to end index, but if step is negative, then it should be greater as compared to end index. आता ह्याचा आउटपुट काय असेल मला सांगा. अगोदर तुम्हाला मी end index दाखवतो. string of ::(-1). this is your reverse string. okay, so -1 मुळे तुमची ही स्ट्रिंग तुम्हाला भेटणार आहे. बट 5:1 याचा अर्थ काय, कुठपासून कुठपर्यंत तुम्हाला आउटपुट भेटेल. टेल मी. चुकू दे आन्सर, नो प्रॉब्लेम, ट्राय ॲट लिस्ट. येस, hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer. 5:1:-1 कोणते कॅरेक्टर्स भेटतील तुम्हाला. Yes, you will get NIHC. Okay, now we'll go by reverse logic. How NIHC? Okay, what is your start index? Start index is 5. Okay, so see here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n will be printed. Okay, start index included. Okay, so 5 will be there, 4 will be there, 3 will be there, 2 will be there, 1 will not be there. Okay, because 1 end index is excluded. Okay, so you'll only get NIHC 5, 4, 3, 2. 1 पण येणार नाही, 0 पण येणार नाही. M आणि A हे येणार नाहीत आणि याच्या अगोदरचे हे तर येणारच नाहीत. समजतंय? समजतंय का?
पुन्हा एक्सप्लेन करा सर.
See here, start from M. Okay, what is index of M? 0. Okay, index of A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, आपली स्टार्ट इंडेक्स काय आहे? 5. ओके, आणि 5 इंडेक्सला कोणता आहे? N आहे. ओके, So we'll start from n. Okay, n I h c. c ची इंडेक्स किती आहे? 2 आहे. आता आपली एंड इंडेक्स काय आहे? 1. सो इथे 1 इंडेक्सला a आहे. एंड इंडेक्स इज एक्सक्लुडेड. मग a येईल का? नाही येणार. ओके, सो वी विल ओनली गेट 5, 4, 3 and 2. 1 and 0 हे दोन याच्यामध्ये येणार नाहीत. ओके, बिकॉज एंड इंडेक्स इज 1. एक एक्झाम्पल हे दाखवतो मी तुम्हाला. जर मी इथे 1 नाही घेतला तर काय येईल? आय विल गेट फ्रॉम n to m. ओके, एंड इंडेक्स मी स्पेसिफायच नाही केली. ओके, सो मला 5 पासून सगळे भेटलेत. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. अंडरस्टूड नाउ? हॅलो, समजतंय?
-1
Yes,
जर टाकलाच नाही तर मग काय फरक पडेल?
-1 जर नाही टाकला तर
हा.
आपल्याला रिव्हर्स नाही भेटणार स्ट्रिंग.
अच्छा.
String will be normal string. Okay, but it will start from 5. So let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it will start from n. n e space l e a r n I n g. अशी स्ट्रिंग भेटेल आपल्याला इन फॉरवर्ड. ओके, बट आपण -1 टाकतोय त्यामुळे आपल्याला स्ट्रिंग आधी रिव्हर्स करणं इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. -1 स्ट्रिंगला काय करतोय? रिव्हर्स करतोय. आणि त्यानंतर वी आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 5. सो n पासून स्टार्ट होईल. ओके, n पासून पुढे n I h c a m. ओके, कारण एंड इंडेक्स आपण स्पेसिफाय केलेली नाही. ओके, सो बाय डिफॉल्ट इट विल बी 0 पासून पुढे. ओके, सो 0 पर्यंत सगळे कॅरेक्टर्स येतील. इथे 1 स्पेसिफाय केलाय, इट विल ओनली प्रिंट अप टू 2. ओके, इथे जर मी 3 स्पेसिफाय केला, it will only print up to 4. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me what will be the output of this? Four colon.
I H
Yes.
I H C A M.
Right. IHCAM. Because I is 4th index. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. But if I give 4, 2, now what will be the output? Yes.
I H.
I and H. Okay, 4 and 3. 2 is excluded. Understood? Positive index, negative step.
सर एक मिनिट.
हा.
आपण रिव्हर्स केली स्ट्रिंग,
हा.
तर मग राईट टू लेफ्ट का नंबरिंग दिली 0, 1, 2?
राईट टू लेफ्ट नाही नंबरिंग केली आपण. नंबरिंग तशीच आहे. ओके, जी पॉझिटिव्ह इंडेक्सिंगला असते. ओके, 0 पासून स्टार्ट करतो आपण. फक्त स्ट्रिंग रिव्हर्स केल्यामुळे आपल्याला ती नंबरिंग जी आहे ती नंबरिंग पण रिव्हर्स होणार ना, राईट? स्ट्रिंग रिव्हर्स झाली, त्याचे नंबर, त्याची इंडेक्स सुद्धा काय होईल? रिव्हर्सच. ओके, त्यामुळे आपण काय करतोय? स्टार्ट इंडेक्स मोठी घेतोय, एंड इंडेक्स छोटी घेतोय. जायचं पुढे.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now again, this is my string and this is my reverse string. Now negative index with negative step. Negative index with negative step. If I don't specify the start index, okay, I'll just take a simple example. I don't specify start index and I only specify end index and the step. I'm getting nothing, just a second. If I only specify the end index as -2, then I will get the last character only, G. Now how this works, here also if you see the start index and end index, how it works, -1 आहे, त्यामुळे स्ट्रिंग रिव्हर्स कन्सिडर करावी लागणार, कन्सिडर दिस. आणि निगेटिव्ह इंडेक्सिंग आहे, सो निगेटिव्ह इंडेक्सिंग इन द सेन्स नाव this is your last character. ओके, या लास्ट कॅरेक्टरची इंडेक्स आहे -1. ओके, and -2, -3, -4, -5. in this fashion we end up to -16. okay, so we have not specified any start index. okay, here again if we specify the start index, then it will start from that particular character. okay, start index specify nahi keli तर by default it will consider the last end of the string. okay, पण end index इथे specify केली आहे -2. okay, start index मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं start index is always included, end index is always excluded. मग -2 exclude करायचा. okay, -2 is n, so let's exclude from that. okay, n पासून पुढे exclude केलाय -2 पासून पुढे. only -1 character, only -1 index character will be getting the output. समजते?
Yes, sir.
okay, so it will be basically starting from -1 and ending at -2. yes. मी हे example तुम्हाला दाखवतो. we enter -1, we are getting the same output. okay, so it is basically starting from -1 ending at -2. okay, end index is -2, -2 will be excluded. okay, so we'll only get -1. okay, similarly if we don't take the start index, it will be -1. okay, so -1 G will be there and end index -5 आहे, so it will count from -1 to -4. that means G N I N. okay, -1, -2, -3, -4. R ची इंडेक्स -5 आहे आणि -5 इथे एंड इंडेक्स आहे म्हणजे एक्सक्लुडेड, सो R will be excluded. R पासून पुढचे एक्सक्लूड होतील. we will only get G N I N. understood?
Yes, sir.
okay, so you can try different combinations with these. okay, positive index, positive step, negative index, positive step, त्यानंतर पॉझिटिव्ह इंडेक्स, निगेटिव्ह स्टेप, निगेटिव्ह इंडेक्स, निगेटिव्ह स्टेप. हे चारही कॉम्बिनेशन्स वेगवेगळ्या स्ट्रिंग घेऊन ट्राय करा आणि प्रिंट करण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. ओके, फर्स्ट एन कॅरेक्टर्स, लास्ट एन कॅरेक्टर्स, फर्स्ट एन कॅरेक्टर्स रिव्हर्स्ड, लास्ट एन कॅरेक्टर्स रिव्हर्स्ड. ओके, ट्राय टू स्किप फर्स्ट एन कॅरेक्टर्स, ट्राय टू स्किप लास्ट एन कॅरेक्टर्स. ओके, ट्राय टू स्किप फर्स्ट एन कॅरेक्टर्स विथ रिव्हर्स, लास्ट एन कॅरेक्टर्स विथ रिव्हर्स. असे वेगवेगळे कॉम्बिनेशन्स तुम्ही ट्राय करू शकता. We will move towards next point. Strings are immutable. What does it mean? Immutable. That means we cannot change any element of the string. Okay, for example, if I have a string which is this, my variable string, machine learning, this is my string. Okay, and zeroth character, zeroth index ला m आहे. Okay, if I try to assign any other character to this index, okay, it will throw an error. Okay, what is the error? Type error. String object does not support item assignment. Okay, म्हणजे काय, मी स्ट्रिंग या इम्युटेबल आहेत. आय कॅनॉट चेंज एनी कॅरेक्टर इन द स्ट्रिंग. मी स्ट्रिंग मधलं कोणते कॅरेक्टर मॉडिफाय करू शकत नाही. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then for loop on string. How to apply for loop on string? Okay. String is iterable. आपण features मध्ये बघितलं. We can iterate over a string. We can apply a for loop on the string. Okay. Not only for loop, we can also apply while loop also. Basically, we can loop through a string. Okay. So suppose this is the string banana, and I am applying for loop. For x in banana, print x. Okay, so for first iteration it will print b, second iteration a, third iteration n, then a, then n, then a. Okay, so totally there will be 6 iterations, and it will print each character in each iteration. I will execute this. You can see here, first iteration b, second iteration a, third iteration n, fourth iteration a, fifth iteration n, sixth iteration a. Understood how to iterate over a loop or string?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have only got the characters. Okay. If I want the index as well, okay, I want index as well as character. Okay. For this purpose, you can apply enumerate function on that particular string. Okay. Suppose my string is machine learning. Okay. Or what I will do, I will use this same string banana. Okay, same string मी घेतली banana. Okay, and what is the syntax for I comma character? Here I will be acting as index and character will be acting as a this character. Okay, by applying this enumerate function. So it will also give me the iteration number, or I can say index of the character and the character also. Okay, so it will print iteration number or index and the character also. I'm executing this. You can see iteration number, first iteration आहे, so iteration number will be 0 and character is b. Second iteration number is 1, character is a. Next iteration, character is n. Next iteration, character is a. Next iteration, character is n. Last iteration, character is again a. Okay, so if you want the index or iteration, you can use this enumerate function on the string. Okay, not only on string, you can use it on any other data type also, iterable. But by using enumerate, you will get the index of that particular of each item. Okay, मी ते iteration म्हणू शकतो किंवा मी याला index पण म्हणू शकतो. Index is, see here, index is 0, character is b. index is 1, character is A, in this way. Understood how to iterate over a string?
Yes, sir.
Same we can do by using dot format. Okay, इथे मी simple comma यूज करून केले. डॉट फॉर्मॅट मी प्रिंट तुम्हाला सांगितलं ना, प्रिंट कसं यूज करू शकतो आपण. वी कॅन ऑल्सो यूज डॉट फॉर्मॅट, विल गेट द सेम रिझल्ट्स. वी कॅन ऑल्सो यूज एफ स्ट्रिंग, फॉर्मॅट स्ट्रिंग, you'll get the same results. Okay, understood?
Sir.
Okay. Next is to check a particular string. Okay, to check if any particular word or any particular substring exists in that string. Okay, how to check? You have to use in keyword for that. Okay, for example, this is my string. The best things in life are free. Okay, and I want to check if free is there in the string text, this variable. Okay, so let's see what it prints. It prints true. Okay, so it is basically checking if this word free is present in txt. Okay, if it is present, it will return true. Okay, if it is not present, it will return false. So if true delay, let's check if now what will be the output? It will be false, right? Okay, because this FEE is not present in this text. Okay, same can be done by using if else statement. Okay, check a character is present in the string or not. If L in learning, print yes, else print no. If this is true, it will print yes. If this is false, it will print no. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If this is my string, okay, str_1, and I am using this program, if z in str_1, print yes, else print no, what will be the output?
No.
It will be no, because z is not present in this string. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Same can be done with the help of user input. Okay, now I have used two user inputs here. Okay, first input for main string, second input for string to be searched, or substring to be searched. Okay, or character to be searched. I execute this. Suppose this is my main string. Let's say Mary had a little lamb. Okay, this is my main string. Again, it will ask me for character that I want to search. I want to search lamb in this. Okay, what will be the output?
It,
It will be yes, because lamb is present in the string Mary had a little lamb. Got it?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, we can also use not in that. If a particular text is not present, okay, instead of using in, you have to just use not in. Okay, so this is my string. The best thing in life are free. And what I am trying to search, expensive. Expensive not in text. Okay, so it will return true because expensive is not present in this txt. Okay, same you can do with the if else. If expensive not in txt, print no, expensive is not present. It will print this. Okay, you can also do with another word. If let's say free not in txt, print no, free not present, else print free is present. What will be the output?
Free is present.
Free is present. Okay, this part, because this is not true. Free not in txt, it is not true. Okay, it is false, so this will be executed. Now just an exercise for you using the indexing. Okay, suppose this is my string python. Okay, and I want this output nythop. That means I want to interchange first and last character. Okay, first character p will be replaced by last character n, and vice versa. N will be replaced by p. Okay, so we'll execute this. This is my string. How to approach for this program? Okay, आता याचा आपण काय करतोय, फर्स्ट कॅरेक्टर हा सेपरेट घ्यायचा, मिडल कॅरेक्टर्स YTHO हे सेपरेट घ्यायचे, आणि N हा सेपरेट घ्यायचा. ओके, सो फर्स्ट कॅरेक्टर, हाऊ टू ऍक्सेस फर्स्ट कॅरेक्टर, स्ट्रिंग ऑफ 0. ओके, मिडल कॅरेक्टर्स, हाऊ टू ऍक्सेस मिडल कॅरेक्टर्स. आता मिडल कॅरेक्टर्स म्हणजे स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द इंडेक्स 1. ओके, अप टू विच कॅरेक्टर, सेकंड लास्ट कॅरेक्टर. ओके, सेकंड लास्ट कॅरेक्टर. तर त्यासाठी काय करायचं, लेन ऑफ स्ट्रिंग. लेन एक फंक्शन आहे दॅट गिव्स अस द लेंथ ऑफ स्ट्रिंग. ओके, स्ट्रिंगची लेंथ. हे बघा मी तुम्हाला इथे दाखवतो हाऊ लेन ऑफ स्ट्रिंग वर्क्स. Len of string, what is the length of string? 6 is the length of string. So length of string minus 1 means 6 minus 1, it will be 5. So 1 colon 5, that means it will be YTHO. Okay, I will execute this, YTHO. Okay, starting from 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 will be excluded. Okay, first character झाला, middle characters झाले. Now last character. How to access last character? String of -1. Okay, and form a new string and concatenate the strings. Okay, या तिन्ही पार्टला जोडायचं. ओके, अगोदर लास्ट कॅरेक्टर घ्यायचा स्ट्रिंग ऑफ -1, त्यानंतर मिडल कॅरेक्टर्स घ्यायचे, त्याला ऍड करायचे, आणि त्यानंतर त्याला ऍड करायचं फर्स्ट कॅरेक्टर. ओके, युअर न्यू string will be like this, nythop. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this part is called as string concatenation. Okay, string चे वेगवेगळे कॅरेक्टर्स आपण एकमेकाला जोडू शकतो by using plus sign, addition sign. This is called as string concatenation. Okay, हाच आपला पुढचा सब टॉपिक आहे, how to concatenate strings. Now suppose you have these two variables A and B, storing hello and world. Okay, and you add these two variables A and B. What will be the output? Your output will be hello world. Okay, this is called as string concatenation. आपण इंटिजर्स ऍड करतो. ओके, पण इथे स्ट्रिंग ऍड नाही होत. स्ट्रिंग काय होतात? कॉन्कॅटेनेट होतात, एकमेकाला जोडल्या जातात, मर्ज होतात. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what if I want space in this hello and world? Hello आणि world याच्यामध्ये मला स्पेस पाहिजे. ओके, जस्ट ऍड अ स्पेस इन दॅट. A प्लस स्पेस प्लस B. You'll get the output hello space world. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that was string concatenation. Now string format. Okay, how to format a string. Now we know that string and numbers cannot be combined. Okay, we have also tried it. String आणि number आपण combine करण्याचा प्रयत्न केला आहे. Okay, here we are again trying it. Age is the variable I'm storing 36, which is integer. Okay, this is integer. And this string, my name is John, I am. This is string literal. Okay, data type is string. String plus integer, it is not possible. Okay, so if I try to combine this, I will get an error. What is error? Can only concatenate string, not integer, because this age variable is storing integer data type. Okay, so string and integer cannot be combined. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but this can be done by using format. Okay, format method. जसं dot format मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं ना. Okay, the same format method, it is actually format method of string. Okay, so you can use that format method in this way. Age is a variable storing the integer. Txt is the variable storing the string. My name is John and I am, and you just use this curly brackets. Okay, and print txt dot format, and in format just specify the this variable, integer variable. Okay, so it will print this string, my name is John and I am, and instead of this curly bracket it will use this age variable 36. Okay, we'll execute this. My name is John and I am 36. Understood how to format a string by using dot format?
Yes, sir.
Okay, format method takes unlimited number of arguments. Okay, आपण हे पण बघितलेलं आहे डॉट फॉर्मॅट मध्ये की अनलिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ आर्ग्युमेंट्स आपण त्याच्यामध्ये पास करू शकतो. अनलिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ व्हेरिएबल्स वी कॅन यूज इन दॅट. Okay, for example, these are three variables: quantity, which is again integer, item number, that is also integer, price, this is float. We can use all these three variables in that. Okay, my order is a string. I want dash pieces of item dash for dash dollars. Okay, I want quantity here in this in place of this curly bracket there should be quantity. In place of this curly bracket there should be item number, and here in place of this curly bracket there should be price. Okay, so same sequence should be followed here. Okay, my order dot format follow same sequence. पहिल्या कर्ली ब्रॅकेटच्या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला काय पाहिजे? क्वांटिटी. मग आधी क्वांटिटी कॉमा, सेकंड कर्ली ब्रॅकेटच्या ठिकाणी काय पाहिजे? आयटम नंबर, आयटम नंबर, आणि थर्ड कर्ली ब्रॅकेटच्या ठिकाणी काय पाहिजे? प्राइस, प्राइस. Okay, execute this, you will get the answer. I want 3 pieces of item 567 for this price dollars. Understood? Multiple arguments.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, you can also specify the index of arguments. Okay. What if this sequence gets wrong? Okay. Or what if your text is in some different format, in some different, let's say, active voice or passive voice. Okay. So in that case, you can use index number. Okay. For example, सेम सेंटेन्स आहे फक्त त्याचा फॉर्मॅट चेंज केलाय. I want to pay dollars to pieces of item. Here you can see sequence is same, quantity, item number, price. The sequence is same, but here while specifying I have entered the index. Okay, I want to pay. इथे काय पाहिजे मला? प्राइस पाहिजे. मग प्राइस किती नंबरला आहे, किती इंडेक्सला आहे? नंबर 2 ला. ओके, याची इंडेक्स आहे 0, आयटम नंबरची इंडेक्स आहे 1, प्राइसची इंडेक्स आहे 2. सो प्राइस किती इंडेक्सला आहे? 2 आहे, म्हणून मी त्याला इंडेक्स स्पेसिफाय केली 2. पीसेस, क्वांटिटी किती इंडेक्सला आहे? 0, म्हणून मी ते 0 स्पेसिफाय केला. ऑफ आयटम म्हणजे आयटम नंबर, तो किती इंडेक्सला आहे? 1, म्हणून मी ते 1 इंडेक्स स्पेसिफाय केली. यू विल गेट द सेम आउटपुट. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can also do this. Just a second. We'll try using format string. This also works. Okay, using or format string or f string. Let's say f string. Okay, this will also work. Even you can work with this also. Okay, here also if you don't want to mention the format, don't want to use the format method, just in place of this string add f, and here instead of specifying the index you can specify the variable directly. Pay price dollars for quantity pieces of item number. You'll get the answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then last, escape character. Okay. If you want to insert character that are not allowed in string, you can use escape character. Okay, just here for example, for your example I have used, you can see here I have used double quote inside a double quote. Okay, so if I try to execute this, it will throw an error. It is invalid syntax. Why? Because your string is starting from this point, this is starting quote, your string is starting from this point, ending at this point, and here it does not understand what is this Vikings. ओके, पायथॉनला हे कळत नाही हे वायकिंग्स काय आहे. परत इथून एक स्ट्रिंग स्टार्ट होते, इथे एंड होते. बट व्हॉट अबाउट दिस वायकिंग्स? पायथॉन इज अनेबल टू अंडरस्टँड व्हॉट इज दिस वायकिंग्स. ओके, दो माय सेंटेन्स इज करेक्ट, माझा सेंटेन्स करेक्ट आहे, वी आर सो कॉल्ड वायकिंग्स फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ, असं मला एक स्टेटमेंट प्रिंट करायचं आहे. ओके, बट आय एम अनेबल टू प्रिंट, कारण पायथॉनला हे कळत नाहीये. पायथॉनला फक्त एवढंच कळतंय जेवढं आपण कोट्स मध्ये दिले तेवढं, हे आणि हे वायकिंग्स त्याला कळत नाहीये. सो हाऊ टू अचीव दिस, यू हॅव टू यूज बॅकस्लॅश, एस्केप कॅरेक्टर आपण त्याला म्हणतो. ओके, बॅकस्लॅश, आणि त्यानंतर आपण डबल कोट्स आपण यूज करू शकतो. ओके, सो इन्स्टेड ऑफ युजिंग दिस फॅशन, just add a backslash in front of that double quote. Here also add a backslash in front of the double quote and you'll get the desired output. We are so called Vikings from the north. इथे दोन्ही double quotes आलेले आहेत. Okay, so this escape character actually escapes the double quote. त्याला तो double quote नाही कन्सिडर करीत, त्याला तो एस्केप करतो पायथॉन पुरता. ओके, तो त्याला कॅरेक्टर, नॉर्मल कॅरेक्टर म्हणून ट्रीट करतो. अंडरस्टूड हाऊ टू यूज एस्केप कॅरेक्टर?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we have used this for double quote. You can also use it for single quote also. Okay, other escape characters. Okay, you can use it for single quote, you can use it for backlash, for new line also. Okay, carriage return means you want to move the cursor at the beginning of the line. लाईनच्या सुरुवातीला तुम्हाला कर्सर पाहिजे, त्यासाठी हे बॅकस्लॅश आर तुम्ही यूज करू शकता. तुम्हाला टॅब द्यायचा आहे, ओके, 4 स्पेसेस, यू कॅन यूज बॅकस्लॅश और एस्केप कॅरेक्टर टी, एस्केप कॅरेक्टर बी बॅकस्पेस, एस्केप कॅरेक्टर एफ फॉर फॉर्म फीड, फॉर्म साठी, एस्केप कॅरेक्टर ट्रिपल ओ फॉर ऑक्टल व्हॅल्यू. ओके, जसं बायनरी आहे तशाच ऑक्टल, हेक्साडेसिमल असे वेगवेगळे नंबरचे फॉर्मॅट आहेत. फॉर hex value you can use backslash xhh. Okay, you can try these things. Okay, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, that's all for today. Shall we stop here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.